Hey everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. It's Boyan Dulabic here. I just wanted to say thank you very much to everyone who is subscribed and who likes my videos and all that good stuff. We just recently crossed over 3,000 subscribers, which is awesome, and thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. And please stay subscribed, tell your friends, and if this is the first time you watching this, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot more stuff coming. So if you don't know much about this channel, it's all about filmmaking. It's all about digital art, visual effects, 3D modeling, that kind of stuff, and product reviews related to those things. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, subscribe. Also, I do short films. I recently released my second feature film project, Eugenics, and I will be making more feature films. I will, announce that at some point, not anytime soon, but there will be more coming. So, yeah, stay tuned for more. And again, to everyone, thank you so much. Appreciate it.